Today, we're going to be checking out this Clifton floor plan by DR Horton here in Cypress Bay West. The Clifton is part of the Freedom Series line of homes. Cypress Bay West is here in Palm Bay, Florida, and we're going to be going inside, taking a look at everything. The reason that I'm excited to show you this specific Clifton is because this is actually a spec home. It's not a model. So if you're thinking about buying a home from DR Horton, especially here in Cypress Bay West, this is going to give you a much better representation and expectation of what you can expect if you're buying a new home. The other reason I think this is important because if you're looking to find the best deal on a new construction home, finding spec homes like this that are ready to go are always going to get the best deals, the best incentives as far as price of the home, interest rate, closing costs. So we're going to get into all that and more. Let's go. Now we're going to check out this Clifton from front to back. We're also going to talk about some of the crazy incentives that DR Horton has right now on brand new homes, just like this one that's completely finished, spec home, move-in ready. And we're also going to look at the cost of ownership here at Cypress Bay West. Before we get into that, I do need to let you know that my team and I specialize in new construction and relocation. So if you're thinking about buying a new home or just moving to the area, definitely reach out. We'd love the opportunity to connect with you and see how we can help. I've got our contact information right here. Now, let me give you the basic specs of the Clifton before we really get all the way through the home. The Clifton, as it comes standard, is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom with a flex room. The Clifton that we're gonna see today does have the optional 3rd bedroom. So you're gonna see how the 3rd bedroom layout works. So I'll explain that here as we work our way through. I'm also gonna pull up the floor plan so I can give you the room dimensions, and I'm gonna reference the rooms as DR Horton has them listed on the floor plan. So if you would like a copy of that, reach out, I'll be happy to get that to you. So in the front of the home, you've got the 2nd bedroom, or is what they have listed as the 2nd bedroom. So this is gonna come in as 10.4 by 11.8. All the bedrooms are gonna come standard with carpet, full window blinds, closet right here with outswing doors. The Freedom Series of homes like the Clifton are gonna come with the 9'4" ceilings. They do have the standard doors. You're gonna have a bathroom right off of the front here. So 1 bedroom in a bathroom, single vanity toilet, in a tub shower combo. This is the standard configuration. This right here is where this Clifton has some variations. So this is that 3rd bedroom option, as I mentioned. So if you go with the standard Clifton with no 3rd bedroom and a flex, this is just gonna be a wall right here. On this option with the 3rd bedroom, this is gonna add 11 by 10.4. Your bedroom's gonna be 11 by 10.4 with a full closet right here with that outswing door. You do have a window there, same thing, blinds. Now, if you're gonna get the standard Clifton 2.2 with the flex, that bedroom's not gonna be there in that configuration, but you are gonna have a big open space right here with a set of French doors that take you into that room right here. So if you guys wanna see that, let me know. I've got some video footage of that. I'd be happy to show that to you. So off of the, as we work our way through the home, you've got the garage access, air handler, and a little drop station right here. So the standard 2-car garage that you guys saw out front, accessible right here. That's gonna have your hurricane shutters, water heater, and off of the garage, you're gonna have the drop station, an additional linen closet, and then right here is your air handler. You're also gonna have another closet right here as well as you work, as you come in off the garage. So living space, this is the giant open concept plan. So they've got this room divided really into 2 rooms. They call this the great room and the dining room. There's really no specific delineation on the floor plan, but the way they have these rooms listed is the great room is 18 by 16, and the dining room, which is in the back, is gonna be 18.4 by 9.3. And then your kitchen's gonna be about 10.2 by 14.8. So really big open living space, big kitchen island, shaker style countertops, crown molding, Whirlpool appliances. The Freedom Series by DR Horton here in Cypress Bay West is gonna come with all the appliances, so it's a full appliance package. You're also gonna find quartz countertops in all the new DR Horton homes. If you've seen the older DR Horton homes, you know that they had like a granite overmount sink. They didn't have granite in any of the bathrooms. They've changed that. All the new homes are gonna come with some sort of granite in the kitchen, same granite in the bathrooms. undermount sink, single tub sink. So they've made some improvements. You also notice that the floor tile in these homes is different as well. They've switched to 2 different gray tone rectangular ceramic tiles on the living area. Off the kitchen here, you've got the laundry room, and then that takes you to the master suite here in the back of the house. Actually, as they have it listed on the floor plan, is bedroom 1. So this is gonna come in at 13 by 17 too. So this is a really good sized bedroom. It's got a nice window here off the back. So if you've got a waterfront lot or one of the berm lots, you have a really nice view off of the primary bedroom here. You also have 2 walk-in closets in this suite. You're gonna have a closet here in the back right off of the bedroom. And then as you work your way into the bathroom right here, there's gonna be a second walk-in closet all the way in the back. Bathroom's also got a really nice long dual sink vanity, same countertops and cabinetry that we saw in the kitchen, walk-in shower right here, water closet with the toilet, and then another linen closet right here. So let's look at let's talk about pricing on what you can expect for a home like this, and also the costs associated with ownership here in Cypress Bay West. So the HOA in Cypress Bay West, specifically here in Serenoa where the Freedom Series homes are. This is gonna be a gated neighborhood. Lawn care is included, so that's gonna include the irrigation, the mowing, the trimming, the fertilization, and the mulch. The HOA in the Freedom Series is gonna be $155.25 per month. And then the Cypress Bay West amenities for the entire community include the pool, the splash pad, clubhouse with fitness center, playgrounds, basketball courts, pickleball courts, palm garden, event lawn, and walking trails. Now that amenity center isn't completed yet. We do have some footage of another DR Horton community that has a more scaled down version that you guys can take a look at. The amenity center here is gonna be a much larger version of that. So that master association for Cypress Bay West is gonna come in at $36.76 per month. So if you have a total HOA in Serenoa at Cypress Bay West of $192 a month, that's gonna include the Serenoa and the Cypress Bay West Master Association. Now, Cypress Bay West does have an annual CDD that's gonna be coming in at $1,496 per year. That breaks down to about $124 per month. So if you want to total all those costs, your HOA and your CDD, you're looking at about $316 per month. Now, when we're talking about incentives, homes like this one that are already complete, ready to be sold, are gonna always have the best incentives. So if you're trying to find the best deal on a new home, finding a spec home like this one that's fully complete is the way to go. You're gonna get the best price and incentives. Right now, we're seeing incentives ranging or focused on the interest rate at 4.99 for an FHA or VA loan, or 5.5% on a conventional loan. Now, these are fixed interest rates that are staying in place for the life of the loan. You're also gonna get all your closing costs covered. I've seen closing cost promotions ranging between $10,000 to $20,000. And the price on the Clifton model like this in Serenoa at Cypress Bay West is gonna range between $354,000 and $380,000. If you guys want more information, definitely reach out. I've got our contact information here. Make sure you check out this video about the neighborhood, and I will see you guys next time.